So this is the EK68 from EPOMAKER, and really nice keyboard. Didn't spend too much money. I think it's like under $100. It comes with a lot of features: wireless, Bluetooth, wired, also gasket mounted, as you can see here, hot swappable. Really nice keyboard. We're gonna do a sound test with this switch option, which they give. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called bugger. I don't even know how to say it. Hold up. It's these switches. If you copy paste this into Google Translate,
Budgerigar.
Budgerigar, yes. So basically, um, the Budgerigar switches, which is their tactile option. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. And I'll have a link in this description if you're interested in all these switches that come on this keyboard are pre-lubed. So overall for the price, this is really not a bad keyboard. Definitely a huge upgrade from my last keyboard. Um, for tactile switches, they are a little different from your regular tactile switch. The bump on the switch kind of starts early, so usually when you press the keyboard, usually the bump happens midway. The bump you kind of feel instantly, which might throw you off a bit. I found it to actually feel a lot better. But yeah, if you're interested in getting this keyboard, link is in the description. It helps support me, and make sure to like and subscribe the video, and comment for any questions.